connect our thinking of when you multiplied multi-digit numbers to, it is the same as when you're multiplying with decimals. So we have 4 and 2/10 times 2 and 3/10 as we did before. I'm just going to show you what we did with our manipulatives to show you the same thing. So first we have two groups of 4 in this first block here. So let's show again two groups of 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one group. And there's the other group. So two groups of 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 flats. And we represent that with the multiplication problem of 2 times 4 equals 8. Then if we need to show two groups of 2/10, so that's two groups of 2/10. So this is one group of 2/10 and two groups of 2/10. So two groups of 2/10 is 1, 2, 3, 4/10. So that is shown as 2 times 2/10 equals 4/10. Then we have here, we have 3/10 times 4, which basically means just 3/10 4 times. So let's show we have one group of 3/10, two groups of 3/10, three groups of 3/10, and 4 groups of 3/10. Well, let's count it up. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12/10. So that means that 3/10 times 4 equals, we said 12/10. So I know that I can't write 12/10 as like that because I know that I can trade out once I have a total of 10/10. I can trade this group of 10/10 to get another flat. So really 12/10 totals one whole with 2/10 left over. And then this last block, we have 3/10 times 2/10. So let's look at that. So I can use this grid to show what 3/10 times 2/10 looks like. So once I multiply 3/10 times 2/10, the overlapping part shows the product. So that's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundredths, which is how I represented it using my base 10 blocks. Remember, I had 6 hundredths. So 3/10 times 2/10 equals 6 hundredths. I'm going to take all of my products and then I'm going to add them together and I should get the same answer. Let's see. So to add these up, I'm going to just go ahead and add all of my whole numbers. So that's really 8 wholes plus another whole I have here. So that's 8 plus 1 equals a total of 9 wholes. And then now let me add my tenths. So I have 2/10 and 4/10. So 2/10 and 4/10 equal a total of 6/10. And then, of course, I had my last one left over here, which was 6 hundredths. So 9 wholes and 6/10 and 6 hundredths equals a total of 9 and 66 hundredths. I know that my answer is correct because when we estimated, we said that it would be a little bit more than 8 will be a reasonable answer when we showed our estimation.